Hello everyone, Cynthia here. I thought I would do an unboxing of this month's Boxycharm. This is a different box, as you can tell by the shape. It's a little more rectangular. I opted out of getting the normal April Boxycharm, and I decided to get one of the variations because I just didn't, I wasn't that into the items. I don't personally like glitter eyeshadow. So I like that Boxycharm comes up with other boxes. This is, I think, one of the FOMO boxes, fear of missing out, and it's one of the variations. And the reason I got it is because it has an item that I'm actually interested in. So it's smaller in size because the items, like I said, are very different. Here is the card. Let's see what variation this is. So it looks like this is variation number 2. And I don't want to check the items just yet, but if you want to look, here you go. Let's go ahead and see what's in here. So the reason why I wanted this box is because on April 18th, Boxycharm said that every person would get a variation of the box that it had one of these creams. And I actually have been eyeing it for a while. It retails for $48. Is the It Confidence in a Cream Moisturizing Cream. And I've been eyeing it for a while. Ulta had it on sale for $24, you know, one of the days, I believe it was in April or March. And I didn't get it, and I've been interested ever since. And I thought, this is a great deal. If I want this cream, I'm paying $21. I'm getting an item I want, and I'm getting 4 other items as well. So I thought that's pretty great. And like I said, this retails for $48. It is full size. And I am definitely excited to use it. I believe I went to Ulta or Sephora and tried it out, got a little sample, and it's very, very moisturizing. And I definitely needed this during winter. I don't think I need it for summertime as much, but I'm glad I got it now. I'm not gonna open it so that come winter time or when I feel my skin being very, very dry, I have this and I'm very excited. Like I said, it looks full size, it's really heavy, and I will definitely be using this because I've tested it already. So here's one item here that, like I said, I'm very, very into, and the other items are kind of like a bonus addition. So here's a little cute packaging decoration. I also read great reviews about this. This is a pretty vulgar liquid eyeliner, I guess. The top feels a little loose. There's no seal, but you can see, well, it's hard to see, but whatever is in there is intact. It doesn't look used. And like I said, this is a liquid eyeliner. It has been in past Boxycharm boxes. The full box is usually just a collection of, you know, leftover items that they have, but if you're interested in any of them, why not get it? So I never got this before because I'm selective with my Boxycharm months. And I'll maybe give this a shot. The top looks a little dirty, but maybe I can clean it up. Or I'll definitely be gifting it. Like I said, I write great reviews, and this usually retails for $24, and it's an ink gel based eyeliner. Next up, everyone that got this variation boxes would get a Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick. I have a different color, and I definitely like the formula. I'm not gonna open it because the shade is Sanctuary. I think I'm gonna go to Sephora. I usually test them out there to see if I like the color before I open one for myself. In case I don't like it, I can always gift it to someone else. But let's see how it looks like. So the color looks really nice. And this is a full-size matte liquid lipstick. And again, the shade is Sanctuary. It's nice and sizable. So I definitely like the formula of this. Now, if I like the color, I know I'll keep it. Otherwise, I know plenty of people who would like it. I do like the color, though. It's a little brown purple is what everyone was saying. Next up, we have Laura Geller. Oh, sorry, and the lipstick usually retails for $20 at Sephora. It's in the 20s. Next up, a little dusty here, we have a Laura Geller Dewdreamer Illuminating Drops. So these are just illuminating drops. It actually looks like a pretty sizable amount. and you can put it in your primer, foundation, moisturizer, or on top, you know, just your usual glow drops. And the color I received is Ballerina. This retails for $32, which is pretty crazy. I don't know if I'm gonna use this just yet, but let's see what color I received here. That's cute. It looks like a, I don't know, gold and pink mixture here. Maybe a rose gold. So again, it's a good size, and if you like to glow, why not apply this to either primer, moisturizer, or literally on top of your skin. Lastly, I know an option was to get a mask. I was hoping for the Tatcha mask, but this is fine as well. It's a TULA probiotic skincare bright all night sheet mask, and it actually comes with 2. And it looks like it was exclusively made for Boxycharm, and at least it comes with 2. I thought it was just 1. So this is your usual mask, and this apparently retails for $24, so $12 a mask. That's pretty crazy. Again, so this is just a variation of the April Boxycharm for a new member. I was definitely interested. Again, this whole box is worth it for me for the $21. Getting this cream in here is great. The rest are just nice little bonuses. I'll probably use the sheet mask, right? Why not? This, I'm gonna think about it, but it's pretty easy to go ahead and add it to your usual makeup routine. The lipstick definitely is, I know it's an awesome brand and it feels great and it's vegan. And here we have an eyeliner, which is a little bit out of my comfort zone, so maybe I'll give it a shot. I'm usually bad at drawing eyeliner, so that might be a little tough. But here's April Boxycharm's variation number 2, and it's not bad. Getting these 5 items for $21 plus tax. So hopefully this was helpful to anyone thinking about getting any of the variations. It looked like they all included the Confidence in a cream, and they all included Kat Von D color in Sanctuary. Pretty Vulgar wasn't guaranteed. I believe everyone received the drops, but they were different colors. So the variations were really this Pretty Vulgar eyeliner and the TULA sheet mask. You could have gotten a different brand like Tatcha, or there was another one I believe too. So hopefully this was helpful. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day. Bye.